In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert text file into Microsoft Excel workbook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here, I want to convert this text file into Microsoft Excel workbook. Go to Microsoft Excel and click on File tab on upper left corner. Then click on Open. Click on Browse. Now select the file and then click on Open. Select Delimited, and if your text file has header, just click here. My data has headers, and then click on Next. If you find your table looks okay, then click Next. But in my case, my table is not looks okay, as because total and total items are separated. That's why click on space. All columns are looks good. Now click on Next, and General will be selected, and then click on Finish. Just resize the cell, and look, my text file is easily converted into Microsoft Excel workbook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.